today we're making a mob grinder. My follower really wanted me to make one, so we're making one. For this, you're going to need a minecart, a rail, a building block, and an endermite spawner. Or if you're doing this on survival, you could use ender pearls. I have a little survival thing going here, but let's just move away from that, and now we can start making our little guy. So you're going to want to build up 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you want to have a little guy here. You're going to add this with this, break it down, take. Can you spawn endermites in the end? Do you know what? Scratch that. Just pretend like you have an endermite in here, okay? Now this is your endermite. It's in here, and then you break that and boom. Then you have to break these. Oh wait, I see. I see why. It was on peaceful mode. Okay, sorry. No, not survival. Creative and easy. Not that much enderman in here. We'll turn it to hard after we do this, but we can hit him in there. Now we take this and they're gonna get mad at that. And they're not gonna be able to get up there, sadly. For them, let's kill him. And then we'll show him, off later. But who hates that sound? Because I do. Now we build 3 down. 3 down like this, and you probably know the rest. 3 down, 3 down, 3 down, 3 down, 3 down. They're gonna get really mad at this endermite, but yeah, this endermite, it's gonna be worth it for all those stuff you're gonna get. Now, like, you can do a lot of different stuff. You can do anything you want. You can just make this, and it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool, and you'll like it. So, if you haven't actually watched any of my videos so far, you should go watch my second one. My first one kind of sucks, so I don't recommend that. If you want, you could do a little bit of decoration to make it a little happier. And you could keep like doing this, but since you guys don't want to see that, we just won't. Now you're gonna put 2 gap space here, so only you can go through. If you want, you could even just get slabs. So we can make this free for now, so the enderman would be able to go through this. But we could take the slabs. Now watch. Let's just dig back, dig back, dig back. This is how I dig back, sorry. And now, and we could just keep doing this. You know, make it as nice as you want. It's fine. This little guy is our problem. That's why we're putting in the slabs. So 3. Who hates that sound? 3 block spaces like this. Look. As you see, they cannot go through. matter what you do. Now, you might want to do a little bit of stuff. This isn't recommended, but it's a very nice touch. You can have shulker boxes, you can just put all this stuff down. You could put a recharge shaker, you know, all that stuff, but now you can take away these slabs. Remember, the slabs are not ideal. Then you might recommend getting out a netherite sword. These things, let's just say, are powerful. You could also get the average diamond sword, what I'm going to use for now. Now you can go and you can get some really good enchantments. Let's get sharpness 3, fire aspect, and one more that is, you could use mending, you can use anything you want, but for me, I am using looting. Looting 3, perfect. Now you can put your sword in. All your enchantment books, sharpness, looting, and even if you want, fire aspect. Now let's go finish the stuff we were going to do. Let's put it on, I don't know, no, great, hard mode. This means there are a lot more Endermen. It doesn't seem like it's on hard mode. Well, anywho, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this. Here you go. Now, this guy, hit him in there. They're all gonna get mad. Now we can go under here. Let's go on survival. Now, we can hit them all. And they don't really stand a chance. You can also make a staircase if you want that. Hey, dude. You could even use bow arrows and just grind them. But let's see the effects of this. More of them are dying from me. Now, let's see all the stuff we have. 3 ender pearls, that's not that much. Oh no. That was Endermite. That's it, he's dead. Oh, hello. They want me, but they know they can't come down here. No. I'm teleporting far away.